How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Razer Synapse failed to start in Windows 11. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the Razer Synapse or the Razer Cortex right here. You could also open up the Synapse by clicking on the launch option. And basically inside, you want to make sure that all of your Razer application is set to the start with Windows. So let's click on the Razer Cortex first. Let's click on this gear icon, which is going to be the main setting, and then make sure that the auto launch is enabled. Start Razer Cortex automatically when the system starts. And you can also choose to minimize the system tray on startup if you want to. Now heading over to the Razer Synapse, you can then click on a similar option, which is going to be the gear setting at the corner of your screen, which is going to be this one. So just click on it. The settings will now show up, on which the same thing, make sure that the auto launch is enabled. Start Razer Synapse automatically when the system starts. Then you could also do the same thing, which is to minimize the system tray on system startup. Now, just to make sure, you can also head over to your task manager, navigate through the startup windows, and make sure that the Razer App Engine and the Razer Cortex is enabled. If you also see the Razer Synapse, you can just make sure that the same thing is enabled right here on status, and basically from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.